Good day, can you please tell me about yourself?
Good morning, sir. My name is Razal Haleko. I'm 30 years old, single. I live in Barangay Bigki, Leganes, Iloilo. I have 4 brothers and 4 sisters. I am the 5th child in the family. I am undergraduate of business administration.
Okay, thank you. Do you have work experience as a domestic helper abroad before?
No, sir, but I have experience here as a domestic helper in a couple. They have 2 children. Their age is 2 years old and 5 years old. For 2 years.
Okay, for 2 years you work here in the Philippines. And what is your duties in the family?
My duties in the family are cooking, cleaning, ironing, marketing.
Okay, and are you the one who do the taking good care of the kids?
Yes, sir.
And how would you describe your employers?
They good to me, sir.
Is there another helper in your previous employer?
No, sir.
And how would you describe yourself as a worker?
I am a hardworking person. I am honest, trustworthy, and work under pressure.
Okay, and are you a happy person too?
Yes, sir.
And do you have any tattoo?
No, sir.
Did you undergo any kind of surgery?
No, sir.
Are you under special medication right now?
No, sir.
And why do you want to work abroad?
I work abroad for my family.
Okay, so you want to help your family. And are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to take care of the baby?
Yes, sir.
And what will you do if the baby did not stop crying?
If the baby is not stop crying, I will check if the baby is hungry or the baby is not feeling well, and then I tell to Madam, sir.
Okay, thank you. And what will you do if the kids is naughty or will not listen to you?
If the kids is not listen to me, I'll talk to them and nicely and patiently.
Okay, and do you have a food allergy?
No, sir.
And can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you please sing it?
Walking, 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 hop, 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 hop. Running, 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 running. Now let's stop. Now let's stop.
Okay, very good. And are you willing to share a room with the kids, elder or other helper?
Yes, sir.
And are you okay if your day off is not on Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, sir.
And is it okay with you if your day off, if you don't have day off but employer will pay you instead?
Yes, sir.
And if you are homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, sir.
Okay, and would you like to work with your employer who has many children?
Yes, sir.
And if you are homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, sir.
And are you willing to take care of an elderly?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, sir.
And will you promise that you will not use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Do you promise that you will not lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a full consent to your family to work abroad?
Yes, sir.
And can you please send a short message to your future employer?
Hi, ma'am, sir. If you select me as your domestic helper, I will finish my contract, and if I will extend if needed. I am trustworthy, responsible, hardworking.
Okay, and do you promise that you will take good care of your employer's children as your own?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's all for today, and thank you for coming.
Thank you, sir. God bless.